Sure. This is going to be a camcorder take on the Schindler elevator at the Galleria Mall by the green garage. I mean, that goes down to the green garage right by the red parking garage. And here it is. LL2. And by the way, the freight elevator is behind this passenger elevator, which I'll show you that once we get out here at LL, but we're not going to ride it right now, but I'm just going to show you where it is for TTNGIDOC. That door is slow. See, as you go into the store, the freight elevator is right there. See, that right there is a freight elevator, but looks like it's turned off actually. Yep, it is. So we cannot ride it. Guess that freight elevator is off, so we cannot ride it. But we're going to take this one. It's in here waiting for me. Two. This thing kind of vibrates a little bit. Kind of makes a creaking noise, but I'm hoping this elevator is not a death trap. Now we'll go back down to one of it in the video. Too bad that freight elevator is turned off, so we're not going to ride it. Sorry, TTNGIDOC, the freight elevator over there is turned off. Pretty nice for a Schindler elevator. These are your vandal-resistant fixtures. Lord Marina, I know you're going to love these. Alright, here we are. One. The door is very slow. There it goes. And that's it.